shine. Miss Universe Philippines, ibang ganda, angat sa lahat. Isang bansa, libong kwento, bawat ngiti may panalo rito. Confidence with a heart, that's who we are. A queen that shines like a morning star. Sa bawat hakbang, sa entablado, may tapang, may danggal, may pangako. Hindi lang ganda ang dala, puso't talino, yan ang tunay na Pinay. From Catriona's fire to Pia's crown, from Margie's grace to Gloria's gown. Sino ang susunod? Taas nood galak, ang Pinay Queen laging umaangat. Ibang ganda, angat sa lahat. Filipina beauty, proud and smart, with love and pride, we'll shine so bright. Miss Universe Philippines, we own the night. Ibang ganda, di lang sa panlabas, pusong matapang, marangal, wagas. Pageant, bulletin, ipagdiwang natin ang Pinay na reyna ng daigdig. Each step tells a story bold, a woman of faith with a heart of gold. Grace in motion, dreams in her eyes, a Filipina, the world's new sunrise. From every province to every town, queens are born wearing the crown. With beauty that heals and hearts that fight, she carries our flag with love and light. She's not just a face, she's courage and class. She's not just a smile, she's the future that lasts. Empowered, inspired, the world will see when a Filipina walks, it's destiny. Ibang ganda, angat sa lahat. Filipina pride, di mapapantayan. From Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao's grace, the universe shines.